going to be making a few more of my lavender bags. I designed these and then I print them out onto this fabric. So yeah, I'm going to make up a couple of these today. Let's just put those to one side. Okay, so what I've got here are a few scraps of fabric. I like to use up a few scraps when I'm doing these. So basically what I do is I get them, lay them right sides together, just miss out that selvage, and I literally just cut to the same size as the piece that I've got here. So here I've got my ribbon. Let's cut some of this. I'm just going to tuck this inside and kind of approximately get it in the centre. Up there. And make sure that's nicely in place. So there we have one sewn. So then we need to trim all around the edge. Just make sure you don't cut through threads. And good practice is to make a few little cuts around the corners. I've got this little contraption, which is what I use to turn things with. So what you do is you put the pipe in there, and then you use the stick, just push it through. There we go. And if you see, it'll need a bit of pressing, because pushing it out does make it a bit wrinkly. And there we've got the gap where we fill it with lavender, tuck these ends in, stitch them closed, and we've got a lavender bag.